Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'm also sharing my investment journey with you. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. Now today we will be having a look at Virgin Galactic. Now Virgin Galactic is almost as old as SpaceX. SpaceX was established and founded in 2002, where Virgin Galactic was founded in 2004. Now Virgin Galactic is focused on two specific modules. Now the one is space flight and space tourism, and the other one is about faster travel around the world. Now they are partnering up with Rolls-Royce, and Rolls-Royce are helping them to build the White Knight, which is going to be the space tourism, and also the Mark III, which is going to be the airplane that gives us shorter air travel. Now Virgin Galactic unveiled a design for upcoming high-speed aircraft. This aircraft will be able to fly from New York to London in an hour and a half, London to Sydney in 4.5 hours, and London to Beijing in 2.5 hours. That would make the jet even faster than the Concorde, which hit a top speed of just over Mach 2 and took closer to 3 hours to fly between New York and London. Now British Airways retired the supersonic jet in 2003. Virgin Galactic is working on a plane that goes 2,300 miles per hour and has a capacity of between 9 to 19 people, according to the company. The Delta Wing jet will fly at an altitude of 60,000 feet. The company is also aiming to use fuel that is more economically sustainable than traditional jet fuel. Then Virgin Galactic has also got the White Knight, which is going to be part of space tourism. At the moment, unfortunately, it's only the rich people that's able to buy the flights, because the flight costs us about $250,000 per seat. But hopefully in the future, there's a lot of other companies that will be going in the same direction, and space flight will become a lot cheaper for us in the future. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now if you have a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see Virgin Galactic Holdings, ticker symbol SPCE, is now going for $17.09. Now if you have a look for the year, it started at £10.60 and it's gone up all the way to $33.87. And as you can see, it's been really volatile. But space travel is not something that's going to go away. It's actually something I think that's going to expand a lot, because a lot of people would like to go into space, even if it's just like jumping out of an airplane, just a once-off thing they want to do. At the moment, it's only for the rich people, but I think in future it's something that will come down, so more of us will be able to do that. And this stock is recommended as a buy at the moment as well. This is Katie Wood from ARK Investment, and the account she is talking about is ARKQ. ARK Investment is really interested in Virgin Galactic as well. Now they have quite a few accounts that they run, but the one I'm looking at is ARKQ. Now this one is the technology and robotics account which they are running. Now let's go have a look at what is in their portfolio and how many of the stocks do they have on their website. Now if we have a look at ARK Investment's website and we scroll down, we are interested in the tech and robotics one, but here you can see of all the other stocks they do have if you are interested in their other stocks. Now if we scroll down, there's more information you are welcome to go and have a look at if you like, but we are interested in the EFT for the specific one. Now, you are welcome to come and read a bit more about the stock of ARKQ and get more information on this specific stock. But the net asset for this stock is 317 million, and their growth for this specific stock has been really great. Now, there's some more information. Here you can see the last 6 months. Now, if we push this up to the last year, you can see the exponential growth of this specific stock. So this is all going in the right direction, but you're welcome to go and have a delve more into this. And if we go on to all the shares they've got in this specific stock, if we have a look here at number 29, Virgin Galactic Holdings, ticker symbol SPCE, they've got 471,078 shares of this specific stock. And I don't think they would have bought that many shares if they didn't believe that this is going to go anywhere. Because you can see there, Tesla, they only own 134. That is a lot less than what they've got of Virgin Galactic. So I think they really believe in Virgin Galactic. I definitely think Virgin Galactic is a buy for me. In any case, please do your own research and make your own decision. But as you can see, I bought 7 shares of this with the money I had available, because when I bought it, it actually went down to 16.96. So it helped me to be able to buy 7 shares in the end with the money I had at that point. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.